I'm jogging, babe. Huh? Babe, will you grab him and jog him to and from me? That's far enough, Eric. Go sideways. Go straight to that barn. Come on, Smarty. Just go sideways one time. Yeah, just jog right to that fire hydrant so we can see him laterally move. Now back. That's good. Straight down and back. Just 10 steps. I need you straight on me. That's good, Eric. Jog him easy. There you go. Thank you. Got a pretty head.
I want to see him go one more time. Oh, he's good. I had him around a little bit, you know, racing.
Here, turn that around.
Up, but he don't get.
For me. Can you see me standing there?
Yeah.
Kelly, I'm 5'4", so he's right at 15 pounds. We're pretty good with her.